Okay, so let's look at compound inequalities. A compound inequality means that there are two inequality symbols. There's a couple different ways to solve them. One of the easiest ways to do this is to split it into two separate inequalities. So first I'm going to look at -5 is less than 4x minus 1. I need to solve for my variable, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. -5 plus 1 will give me -4. Bring down my less than and bring down that 4x. -1 and plus 1 are going to cancel out. Now I still need to get x alone, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4. -4 divided by 4 is a -1 is less than x. Okay, now let's look at our second inequality that we've got here, which is 4x minus 1 is less than 11. Okay. Now from here, I want to get my x term alone. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. -1 plus 1 cancels out. Bring down my 4x and my less than. And 11 plus 1 is 12. I need to get x alone, so let's divide both sides by 4. My 4's cancel out, and x is less than 3. Now I can put both of my inequalities back together again. I've got -1 is less than x, and x is less than 3. So -1 is less than x, which is less than 3. I'm going to put this on my number line. So I'm going to start with my lower number, that -1, and then my higher number over here of 3. Now both of these were less than symbols, so I'm going to put an open circle on those, and I'm going to shade the values in between. Now you can always check your answer here to see if you shaded the correct area, so let's pick a number that is between -1 and 3. A good number to choose that's easy math would be 0. We're going to take 0 and plug it back into my original equation. 4 times 0 minus 1. 4 times 0 is 0 minus 1, and 0 minus 1 is -1. Include the inequality from the beginning. -5 is less than -1, which is less than 11, so this is true.